Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you one of the practical uses of a camera when working with MeerK40t. By the way, notice here the version of MeerK40t I'm using. Alright, I'll go ahead and activate the camera. Here's everything the camera is capturing, got it, and over here is the corresponding area on the MeerK40t workspace. I'll adjust the perspective here, and now I'll capture this view to place it directly onto the workspace. So, I capture it, and now we have this section right here. I'll close this window. Now, notice I have a piece of paper with an irregular shape and a visible mark. I'll draw a simple rectangle, let's say right about here, and position it over that mark. Just a very basic test, okay? Now I'll send this job to the CNC. Yes, I'm connected here, good. Let's send it. I'll also position the camera so you can see in real time exactly what happens when we run the job. Watch where the laser head is. We'll arm the machine and send the job to the laser. There it goes. We return to home position, and as you can see, the result is right here. Take a look roughly, this is how it appears. I can even capture this section again, and notice it's placed exactly where we wanted it. That's all I wanted to show you in this quick demo. In the next video, which will be a bit longer, I'll explain step by step how to set up an Android phone's camera to achieve exactly what you've just seen. Well, that's it for now. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications, and feel free to leave any comments, you're very welcome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.